Microsoft Word Chapter 6, Project 2C, 2D, and 2E. Project 2C, viewing documents side by side. With 6Comp Software Doc open, which you should have right here. If you don't, just go ahead and open it up. Open software.doc, okay? Software right there. Okay, so we have two files open. We have Comp Software and we have Software. On your View tab, so go ahead and click on View. Okay. Go to your Windows group and click on View Side by Side. Okay, so we opened two documents and then we hit View Side by Side. Okay? Scroll. Just take your mouse button and roll. And notice as you scroll that they're scrolling simultaneously, but that there are differences. The titles and the headings are set in different fonts and colors. So you're going to select and then format the title and headings in 6Comp Software Docs so they match the formatting in Software. All right, so what we want to do is we want to take a look at, this is Comp Software, this is Software. We're going to copy the formatting from Software to Comp Software, okay? All you're going to do is use your Format Painter. And copy the formatting from Software to Comp Software, okay? So now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to double click that Format Painter to keep it on, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to undo that because it picked up the wrong thing. Let's try that again. And I'm going to go to each heading. Okay, and I am just going to make sure that I'm going to come back and get that one in just a second. Just using that Format Painter. Is that all of them? Yep. All right, I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to turn that little sucker off. Is it off? Okay. Scroll down. I'm going to format paint from here to here. Okay. And I only single click it so it turned off. And now I'm just going to scroll through and make sure. And one of the ways I can do that is click right here. Tahoma 12 point. Tahoma 12 point. Okay, and I can see the colors match. Right? All right, so we did that. All right, step number 4. Turn off synchronous scrolling by clicking the synchronous scrolling button in the Windows group on the View tab. Okay, so we're going to go View, and we are in Windows, and look right there. You see that little guy? It says synchronous scrolling. Okay, and we want to turn it off, and now look, they scroll separately. Okay, now make software.doc the active document, which is this one, and close it. Goodbye. Which just leaves 6 software open, right? Go ahead and give me a Control Home just because I don't like to be right in the middle of a document when I'm starting to do some work. I like to be up at the top. It makes me more comfortable. All right, with 6Comp Software open, open a new window by clicking the New Window button in the Windows group on the View tab. So we're in the View tab, and we're in Windows, and right here it says New Window. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, now you'll take a look at your title bar. You're going to see that it added a number 2. And if you touch down here on your taskbar, you can see we have 6Comp Software 1 and 6Comp Software 2. Okay? Step number 2. Click the View tab and then click View Side by Side. All right, so we're going to go View, and then we're going to go View Side by Side. Okay. Step number 3, click the synchronous scrolling button to turn off synchronous scrolling. Okay, I always like to test it, by the way. So it's off. Step number 4, with 6Comp Software 2 as your active one, That's mine right here. Yours could possibly be on the other side. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's 6 Comp Software 2. Click on it to make it active. Look at the first paragraph of text. And notice the order in which the software is listed in the last sentence. So we have our last sentence down here. It says a variety of application software is focused in this area, including painting and drawing software, image editing software, video and audio editing software, and computer-aided design CAD software. Okay? Click the 6 Comp Software doc, the number 1. This is number 1. So click over here and make this one active. And then cut and paste the headings and text so the software displays in the order listed in the paragraph. Okay, so the reason we're doing this is we want to read this paragraph while we're working over here. We could have done this with a split as well. So it says the first one should be painting and drawing, right? Painting and drawing is here. That's the first one. So that one's right, so we're going to leave it there. What comes after painting and drawing? Image editing software. So we want image editing software up here. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my show hide because I don't like working without it. And now I want my video and audio editing software. I'm going to cut this. Okay, and it's supposed to go right after painting and drawing, correct? And I'm just going to paste that in there. Okay, so it says painting and drawing, got it. Image editing, nice, I picked up the wrong one. Seriously. Okay, so now we have image editing. Next is video and audio, which I have right here. And by the way, I have an extra stroke of the enter key right there. I'm going to pull out. So, we did painting and drawing. We did image and editing. Now we do video and audio, right? And then we want CAD. So we have them in the right order. I'm going to pull that out. So what you're doing is you're looking at this right here and you're making sure these are in the right order. Okay? So painting and drawing, got it. Image editing, got it. Video and audio, got it. Computer-aided design, got it. Okay? Now, over here in the number 1 document, which is where we're working, you need to hit save. Because we just reordered that and now it's in the right order. Close the second version of the document by clicking the Word button on the taskbar. Okay, so we want to close 6 Comp Software 2. So we're going to touch down here. And see, this one says 6 Comp Software 2. And we want to close it. So now we only have 6 Comp Software. Right? Right. Okay. Moving on to 2E, inserting a file. All right, so we're in 6 Comp Software. Move the insertion point to the end of the document. You should be an expert at that by now, right? Step number 2, insert a file into the open document by completing the following steps. 2A, click the Insert tab. Got it? Click the Object button arrow in the text group, and then click, okay, so we need our text group, which is over here. And see where it says Object, you want to hit that down pointing arrow, and you want to select Text from File. Okay? At the Insert File dialog box, navigate to your Chapter 6 homework folder, and then double-click EduComp. Okay, so when you do that, you just took everything out of the EduComp file and copied it into this file, but EduComp is exactly the same and it's put away safe and neat, back there on your flash drive. We didn't in any way, shape, or form affect the EduComp file. All we told the computer was, go take everything that's out of EduComp and paste it right in here. Okay, so everything that's in EduComp is now in here. All you have to do is save and print, and you're ready to move on.